So let's say what you want to do is you want to share out your calendar with others so that they can view it. In that case, you can share your calendar as well. So to do that, over here on the left hand side, you can go around and click on the three dot button on the calendar that you want to share, and then click on sharing and permissions. Once you do that, over here you can go around and type in the email address of the person that you want to share the calendar with. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say tutortube2 at outlook.com right here, just like this. Once I do that, I can select my second account, as you can see right here, and then what I can do is let the other person have editing access, or they can just be able to view all the details right here. Once that is selected, you can go around and click on share, and what happens is that the other person will be shared out with that particular calendar, and that is it. If you want to go around and then add in other calendars over here, so let's say, for example, I'm going to say to tutubechannel2@gmail.com, then you can go around and allow them to view as well, just like this. And let's say if you want to remove out the permission of the calendar viewing with that other person, then you can simply go around over here onto the calendar itself, onto sharing and permission, and then you can go around and delete out the access that you don't want, just like this, and just keep the access that you want for the email addresses that you want to share the calendar with. And that is how you can share calendar out with other people from Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.